Hello and welcome back to the latest episode of Logistics 9's Yiwu Market Tour Vlog. Yiwu International Trade Mart in China is popular as the ultimate destination for importers and wholesale buyers in search of premium quality wedding supplies crafted in China's best factories. Get ready to go on an exhilarating journey through the vibrant corridors of this esteemed wholesale market, where creativity meets craftsmanship and innovation thrives. Let's start off our tour with table centerpieces, the heart of any reception decor. From exquisite table linens to elegant chair covers and sashes, place card holders, table numbers, confetti, petals, and candle holders, Yiwu offers everything you need to create a stunning tablescape. Yiwu Market is the best place to immerse yourself in stage props that set the scene for unforgettable ceremonies. You can choose from a range of enchanting wedding robes, carpets, stunning wedding arches, captivating stage lights, backdrops, drapes, and curtains to create a magical atmosphere. To ensure the newlyweds make a grand exit, you can always shop for wedding card decor items such as car ribbons, floral arrangements, just married signs, window clings, car decals, tall bows, and LED lights. To add a touch of nature, don't forget Yiwu's enchanting floral decorations, including bridal bouquets, boutonnieres, corsages, centerpiece flowers, and floral garlands, sourced directly from verified manufacturers in China. These floral arrangements can be customized to match any wedding theme or color scheme, ensuring a cohesive and harmonious look for every type of celebration. While at Yiwu International Trade Mart, we cannot miss the LED products that China is worldwide popular for. From enchanting fairy lights to mesmerizing chandeliers, there's no shortage of options to create a magical ambiance for a special day. These LED lights are known for their durability and energy efficiency, making them an ideal choice for any wedding celebration. Let's move on to the dessert display supplies. Cake toppers, cupcake stands, cake servers, knives, and candy buffet jars. Everything here is carefully curated to enhance the experience of wedding guests. What's more, all these items can be personalized with the couple's initials or wedding year for a memorable touch. As we continued our journey through Yiwu Market, we came across fantastic music and entertainment equipment. From high-tech speakers to dazzling party lights and dance floor decorations, this is where the magic happens. As you walk down the aisles here, you will stumble upon a delightful array of wedding decorations. From balloons, streamers, and ceiling decor pieces to hanging swirls that are sure to transform any venue. Don't forget to stock up on some traditional charm with Yiwu's best-selling Chinese knot pendants and tassel hangings. And what's a celebration without a burst of excitement? Let's add some fun to the festivities with firecrackers, sky lanterns, confetti cannons, sparklers, party poppers, and color smoke bombs. These dazzling displays are manufactured to create unforgettable moments for your buyers. When you import from Yiwu Market with us, we can get all your favorite items personalized as per your requirements. Whether it's monogrammed napkins, customized gift bags, or wedding favors, these touches are sure to leave a lasting impression on the buyers and their wedding guests. With the help of Yiwu suppliers, you can ensure the dining experience is as exquisite as the decor, with dinnerware sets, glassware, charger plates, napkin rings, and drink flutes, offering elegance and style to every table setting. These products are crafted from high-quality materials and can also be customized to match your brand aesthetic. Whether it's striking a pose in the photo booth or capturing candid moments on camera, photography supplies are essential for creating lasting memories on a special day. Planning to import wedding albums, disposable cameras, or photo booth props? Yiwu Market supplies it all. Say cheese! We've created a separate video focusing on the variety of photographic equipment available here. Be sure to check that one out. We'll put the link in the description below. No wedding shopping is complete without exquisite bridal gowns and bridesmaid dresses. At Yiwu's bridal apparel and accessories section, you can find everything to create those perfect bridal outfits, from flowing veils to sparkling tiaras. They have an amazing selection of pieces to suit every style and wedding theme. Thank you for joining us on this magical tour of China's Yiwu Market. Remember, if any of these stunning products caught your eye, our team is here to assist you in importing the perfect wedding supplies. Just drop us a WhatsApp message and we'll get back to you ASAP. See you in our next video, where we'll continue to browse even more exciting wholesale China products, only at Yiwu International Trade Mart. Thanks for watching.